Bitcoin is the talk of the finance community. That's because the cryptocurrency is on a tear. In early December 2016, one Bitcoin was worth about $770 US. A year later, a single Bitcoin is worth more than $11,000. But some prominent voices in the business world aren't convinced. Here's what a few of them have to say and our take on whether they're worth listening to. JP Chase chairman and CEO Jamie Dimon doesn't mince words when it comes to Bitcoin. At a conference in October, he said, quote, "If you're stupid enough to buy it, you'll pay the price for it one day." He also said Bitcoin can't be compared to gold because, quote, "Gold is limited, it's been around for a long time." It's true Bitcoin can't compete with gold's history, but Bitcoin's supply is also limited. In fact, the supply of Bitcoin is designed to mimic the rate of mined commodities like gold. The total supply of Bitcoins in existence will max out at about 21 million. We rate Dimon's Bitcoin comments uninformed. Meanwhile, famed investors Warren Buffett and Jack Bogle have a different criticism of Bitcoin. Both of them point out it doesn't produce cash flows like a stock, bond, or real estate. Speaking to business students in Omaha, Buffett recently said, quote, "You can't value Bitcoin because it's not a value-producing asset." Bogle went further, saying, quote, "There's nothing to support Bitcoin except the hope that you will sell it to someone for more than you paid for it." Bitcoin boosters might argue there's more supporting the digital currency than nothing. The cryptocurrency makes it possible to own a digital asset and, thanks to the blockchain, prove you own it. But it's also true Bitcoin doesn't produce cash flows. Neither do other commodities or currencies, however. Our verdict on Buffett and Bogle's comments? Fair point, mostly. Buffett and Bogle are certainly right about one thing. If you're holding on to Bitcoin in the hopes it will go up in value over the long term, you're taking a risky, speculative bet.